Streetlights yawn, they lean on empty corners just like me. Little halos, tired halos, flicker in the rain. A capsized past and its taillights fade politely, while my coffee keeps my secrets going lukewarm on the train. Your name is in my pocket, folded small, I never call it. I trace the letters with a thumb that should move on. The windows in the shops hold our reflections for a moment, then trade us for the mannequins, and suddenly we're gone. After the noise has died down, that's when you come around. Soft as a hush in the air, soft as a half-remembered prayer. After the noise has died down, I hear your echo in this town, just your shadow on the ground. After the noise has died down. The sax across the room is having quiet second thoughts. Every note apologizes for hanging in the smoke. I stir my glass, I stir my past, I stir and stir, it's useless. Funny how the ice keeps breaking every unspoken joke. Did we lose our place, or did the script just end? Was I your almost lover, or your almost friend? After the noise, every bright marquee turns brown. I count the ways we almost tried, I count the times we almost lied. After the noise has died down, I walk the long way through this town, just to chase distant sound. After the noise has died.